Hello and what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Are you having something went wrong issue on your Facebook site or on your mobile phone app? Then you are at the right place to diagnose your issue. After watching this video, you will find the way to fix it. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. So basically you need to do is that if you're experiencing this issue on any browser, it could be in Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera, it doesn't matter. What you need to do is that open up the browser and go to the browser settings. For me, I have to hover around the top right. You will see three dot, tap on it, and you will see the option called settings, tap on it. After that, you need to head over to privacy and security section. Once you head over to privacy and security section, scroll down and find out the option called cookies and other site data. Tap on it, and then you need to find out the section called see all site data and permission. Once you find out, click on it. Now you need to search Facebook on the search bar here, and finally you have to click on the delete icon and hit clear data and permission for facebook.com. Now go back to Facebook and reload this page.